Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Cash App application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once you open it up, look for the search button and tap on it. Then just type in Cash App within the search box and then start your search. If you find the application, just tap on it and you will find the install button. Tap on the install button to begin the download of the Cash App application. Once the download and installation has been completed, you will see the open button on the app page, which you can tap on to open up the Cash App application on your device. Then you can just sign up or log into your account in order to start enjoying the Cash App services. And there you have it. That is how you can download and install the Cash App application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.